I just picked up some evals from Lucid and I'm going to get these connected to my NinjaTrader. I'm using Lucid as an example, but these next steps should work for most props using Tradovate data. The first and most important step is to make sure you select the correct data plan when purchasing the account. If you don't select NinjaTrader, then this video will not work for these next steps. But assuming you purchased everything correctly, look for your credentials. Lucid will display them up here. Every prop will have them in a different place, but there should be a spot for them somewhere in your dashboard. Once you access your credentials, you're going to want to copy these into a notepad or somewhere where you will remember them. The next step is to launch Tradovate. Do not skip this step. It's how we sign up for live data. If you skip this, you will get delayed data. So for Lucid, we click the convenient Launch Tradovate button, but if you don't see it, just go to tradovate.com. In order to log in, we're going to use the exact same credentials we just got in the last step. Once you're logged in, you just have to fill this information out, your name, address, all straightforward stuff. Then in the next step, after reading all the subscriber agreements, a grand majority of us will be non-professional. Pick the one that applies to you. Then we just have to sign it with our name, accept, and scroll down and accept this as well. Once you have that, you're good to go. Now in here, if you just want to trade with Tradovate's platform, you can do so from here through simulation, but this video is about NinjaTrader, so let's head over there. But before we go through NinjaTrader, if you haven't downloaded NinjaTrader yet, just go to ninjatrader.com and create a free account. And then under additional options, here you can download the desktop version. Now, assuming we're logged into our NinjaTrader account, here we're going to need to do two things. The first, we have to go to Tools, Settings, under General, select the Multi-Provider option. You will likely get prompted to restart, but don't worry, we can do this step later. Once we have that, let's go to Connections. Up here, we're looking for just NinjaTrader. You can give it a different name if you like, but I'm going to keep it as is. Then type in the same credentials we saved earlier for Tradovate. And that's it. We keep it as a simulation, hit apply, and then OK. Next, go to Connections and select My NinjaTrader, or whatever you named your connection. Give it a sec, and you will see a green dot on the bottom left hand of your control panel. Once you have that, that usually means you are good to go. Now let's just load an instrument with the correct date, and once that's all loaded, you'll see the price update in real time. From here, you'll be able to select your accounts from the Chart Trader panel, take trades on your eval, or you can even test out on a sim. And yes, you can even activate your favorite strategies. And the last step is just to make sure you do restart NinjaTrader just to ensure everything is refreshed. But that should be all the steps needed in order to activate your Tradovate account on NinjaTrader. I hope you found this video useful. As always, take care, enjoy.